Okay, so I've been in this place for almost a year now, and I just found something out about the property. The maintenance guy here, he said that back by his house there is a pathway that leads to a river and a creepy house. Let's go check this shit out.
Dirty homeless scrub, dirty homeless scrub. Life is hell for a dirty homeless scrub. Dirty homeless scrub, dirty homeless scrub. Life is hell for this dirty homeless scrub.
Okay, so come on, Lotus. Stop pulling. I know you're excited. We're going for a walk. So yeah, here's the house. Now, I've gone around this way a couple times, but it was kind of dark and I didn't look around. So when he told me there's a pathway that I've never seen it before. So let's go check it out. Okay, let's see, walking around the building and shit. I told you it's bigger than expected. See, there's 1, 2, 3 trailers. No, Lotus. 4, 5. This middle one right here is being worked on. Lotus, stop pulling, please. That one is the maintenance man's. That's his nice dog. But he said back here, there is a pathway that he spray painted off. Lotus, stop, please. I know you smell all these dogs and stuff. Oh, he does have a porch. Alright. Lotus, on the side of me. Thank you. I don't see no spray. Oh, kinda. On trees, I get. Oh, what are you doing? No, Lotus. I really don't see spray painted markings. He said he painted a path out. Lotus, please be on this side of me. Thank you. Stop walking around back. I'm assuming this is the trail. I don't see any other way of walking, but it is not spray painted off. Lotus, please not go on that side of me. You know right and left. Stay on the left side. I really have no idea where this path is he's talking about. Okay, let's check this way, Lotus. Come on, this way, pups. No, Lotus, no, God. This way. Oh, fuck, man. Okay, now that you're not tangled, this way. Maybe, I don't know. Everything's overgrown. I don't see pathways. I'm just walking. Spider web. What? I do not see a pathway, Brandon. That's overgrown. I'm not about to walk it. Alright, I guess we do gotta go this way. I guess I'm just gonna create my own path. You know what? I'm not even gonna hold her leash. Come on, Lotus. I just hope there's no poison ivy. Is that what these are? 3 leaves. Shit. Shit. Tell me this isn't poison ivy, please. Looks like I'm gonna shower when I get home. That's what I was afraid of. That's why I wanted a path. Because I didn't want to have to walk through poison ivy. Well, there's kind of a pathway here. You see that? Notice it's kind of blocking it. Looks like this was the pathway, but is it going this way? Oh, I don't know. I just don't want to get poison ivy or ticks or lost. Nah, I won't get lost. Even if I come out on the other end, it's just a little walk to get back to where I'm at. Lotus, you leading the way? Do you know where we're going, pups? Huh? Do you know where we're going? Because I don't know. There is a fence. Apparently, that's... Ow! Not you, Lotus. You're fine. I'm in pricker bushes. This way, Lotus. Balancing act. This is about 1.5 feet off the ground. Oh, maybe not. Ah! Yep, there's a fence. Right there. Y'all can't see it, but it's there. Ooh, I'm already getting itchy. Maybe that was poison ivy. Lotus! Lotus, come on, girl. Don't get lost. Ow, that's thorns. Ouch. I went to push him out of my way and nothing but thorns. Ooh, prickered my finger. I don't see no damn river. I don't see no damn path either, but... I'm just walking through weeds and shit. This is probably not smart. Probably not smart at all. You having fun, Lotus? You probably have to get a bath too, because if anybody's gonna find poison ivy, you are. You're running all over the place. I don't know if you can get poison ivy, but you could share it with us. Rub off your fur and stuff. Okay, now we're going downhill. Fucking spider webs. Notice, stay with me. Oh, yeah, spider clawing on me. I felt it, I saw it. Oh, that was pretty big. Fuck, this sucks. I wonder if this is where the river was. It's all dried up. It looks like there's a creek right here. Was. You see this? Kind of looks like it was a creek. I think it dried the fuck up. It's so humid in here. It's hot as hell out today. And the humidity level is through the roof. Okay, that made no sense. But, alright. Maybe if I follow this creek, or indenture where a creek was. Sure is quiet and peaceful out here though. Okay, this is soft, so apparently this might have been the riverbed. I don't know where the hell we are. Lotus, where are we? I don't think we're in Kansas anymore, Lotus. Do I go this way or keep going this way? The fence was in this direction, way back that way. So apparently we are not by the fence. We crossed property lines, maybe. I don't know. There's no trespassing sign. This way, Lotus, come on. Nope, this is the dead end. Hold on, Lotus. Nope, back this way. Back this way, Lotus. Come on, there was a dead end. Up and over. Come on, up and over. Good girl. While I'm walking around, I might as well discuss something that's kind of irritating. I noticed in my comments that since I haven't been uploading videos as often, some of you guys are starting to hate. People who were down with me, loving my shit, loving my channel, loving me, all of a sudden they said, I unsubscribed. Or they're hating on me and shit. Why? I've been saying I'm working on a 2-part video to upload. I mean, yeah, it's taking a while and it's pissing me off. But at the same time, why you gotta be hating? You don't know what's going on. Why you gotta be like that? I'm still working on that 2-part video. Now I'm waiting on the maintenance man to come help us do something because I don't want to fuck up anything. Because I have my security deposit, and if I fuck up the house, I lose it. So I want the maintenance man to come help me with something. So I'm waiting on him right now. It's nothing but a waiting game. And y'all are impatient. Oh, fuck me, what the hell was that? Oh, shit. Some big ass bug was just on me. Holy fuck. Okay, go this way. Holy shit. Alright, let's take this pathway. Lotus, come on. The maintenance man is busy. He's working on a lot of shit. So I'm not mad at him. Because they're redoing a bunch of places. And mine's going to be redone soon too. So Kraken and I are going to have to switch rooms. But, come on, man. Y'all don't need to be hating on me because you guys are impatient to see what's up. Thinking, oh yeah, he doesn't need us now that he's got money. You know, technically I don't have money. Because there's 2 of us living off of it. Me and Kraken. And once that video goes up, you'll see where I spent my money. Trust on that. Okay, we're going way far out here, Lotus. I don't even know where we're going. I don't see a house. I don't see nothing, Lotus. Hell, I don't even know if I know how to get back from here. Hello? Where are we, Lotus? I don't know. Well, it seems like we walked a good distance and we should have been there by now. So I think I'm gonna try to pull a 180 about face type shit. Come on, Lotus, let's go back this way. Ow. Hope I don't get no ticks. Hope Lotus doesn't get any ticks. My boy Tunes just had a story where his dog had a big old tick on him. And damn, Tunes, how did you find that on RC? She's black, and that was a black tick. But that still got me tweaking now because fucking I don't like ticks. I don't want to deal with that shit, especially with a head full of dreads. And on my bad, I forgot I'm facing the camera. Ah, shit! Whoa! Oh, whoa! A big old web. I don't know if you could see it. See this thing right here in the camera? Oh, snap. Okay. Well, as I was saying before I walked into that, I forgot I had the camera facing me, so I wasn't paying attention to the lens. So sorry if y'all were looking at my fucking... I don't know what you were looking at. But, yeah. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna follow this. Probably the smart bet. You having fun, girl? Go, 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 go. Go! Where you going? You know what? Wait. Come here. Hold on. Let me take your leash off you so you don't get tangled. Okay, so you don't get caught. Go! Oops. I bumped a button on my phone. Wow, she's got so energetic. She does that. All of a sudden she'll spurt into action. Like, bow! Like, yep. Oh, these are all thorn bushes, man. Fuckity fuck. I don't know where I'm at. Oh shit, this is not recognizable. Okay. No, this way. I guess I should put my hand out so I don't walk face first into any more fucking spider webs, huh? Okay, you found a path. Good girl, come on. Ow. No, that's not a path. What? Oh shit, dude, I think I'm lost. I knew it. Ah, fucking thorn bushes right in the ankle, caught my sock and almost tripped me on it. Yep, that fucking hurt. Lotus, did you find the way back? Did you find our way back? You are such a good girl. I think you did. I can't see though. I don't know. I don't remember this. But go ahead, go forward. Come on, puppers. Let's do this. We got this. Come on. Let's find our way home. Go home. Home? Bring me home? Damn it. Nope, didn't go this way either. Another spider web. Oh, Jesus, they're everywhere. Oh my God. Apparently you didn't knock this way. Notice, come on. I'm gonna have to duck under this one or something. No, it's the, damn, I can't even duck under that. Oh, fuck me, dude. I better check for bugs and shit when I get home. Lotus, you're lucky. You can go places I can't. Oh my God, I don't know where the fuck I'm at. Okay, I don't know. Well, at least you guys are going nature walking with me, huh? Oh my God, wait a minute. It looks like there's an opening over here. I'm not near my house. I'm sorry, Lotus. I didn't mean to kick you. I didn't know you were there. You snuck up on me, girl. Oh my God, dude. I'm literally surrounded by bushes. All right, Buster. Come on, girl. Let's go this way. See where the hell we're at. Oh. Is that a cornfield? Huh? Let's do this. Come on. Ow! Fucking low branch on my head. Holy hell. I don't know how well you can see this in the camera because I can't see shit. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Lotus, come. Come on. Don't be afraid. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Let's do this. I just don't want to ruin any corn. I'm trying to walk in the rows, but he who walks behind the rows. I wonder what this would look like at night. Oh my God, you see me gleaming? I don't know where this is leading out, but I'm pretty sure it's only like next door or some shit to it. Oh, Lotus is having fun. Go, go, Lotus, go, go. Tongue hanging out and everything. All right, come on this way, Lotus. I don't want to get in trouble for you running through somebody's crops. Good girl, you having fun? Huh? I got all this shit stuck to me. All right, come on. Ooh, there's a well, like a well spigot coming off the ground up ahead. But I don't know if I could have some of that or not. Well, okay, come here. Come here, Lotus. Let me put your leash on. We're by somebody's yard. Come here. Come here. Okay, this is somebody's yard. What? Okay, see, there's a water spigot, but it's somebody's personal, so I'm not gonna even try. Oh, it's locked anyway. Okay. I have no idea where we are. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, yeah, we're a couple houses down from where the house is. I just hope they don't call the cops for trespassing. I didn't know where I was going. I got lost. It's beautiful, proper beautiful land though. There's the street. There's the street. I see it, Lotus. We found our way. Wait, where in the hell? I don't remember walking or driving past the silo on my way home. Oh, this is probably that side street by the church where I play Pokemon. Holy shit. We walked a good distance. Yeah, we'll get something to drink when we get home, Lotus. I'm thirsty too. I hear ya. I hear ya. Yeah, dude, I don't know how the fuck this happened. Where the hell are we? I've never been here before. This is not the street that I thought it was. Lotus, where are we, girl? Fuck. Shade. Shade. I like how vines grow on buildings and stuff. I think that looks so cool. I would love to own a brick house, like a white brick, and have vines growing on it like this. That'd be so cool. No clue where we are, Lotus. No idea. Oh, yes, okay, I was right. I think this way is where the church is. Jesus, how did we walk so far from the house? Huh? Get off the street. No street, come on. Good girl. Holy shit, it's so hot. That looks like a fake rock. It looks like it's a plastic boulder. Yep, I know where we're at. There's an intersection coming up. Yep, that's the main road. Holy shit. How did we walk so far, Lotus? I thought we were walking straight back, not across. Oh, wow. That just shows how easy it is to get lost when you can't see what direction you came from. Yeah, I know. Lotus, got sweat running from my brow into my eye sockets. My glasses are all hazy and foggy. Oh, shit. Well, that was a good excursion. Oh yeah, I just made my glasses terribly wet. Come here. Here comes the cop. Lotus, come here. Alright. I thought maybe he was gonna come out for me, because I've never seen cops come down this road. I've seen him go down that one because this is the way home, but I've never seen him come down this road. Because this church is where I play Pokemon. I just had to stop for a second so I can clean off my glasses, and it didn't work. My shirt is too sweaty to even clear them off, so it's all fogginess I see. But yeah, right here is a Pokestop. So I come here a lot. I just never went down that road before. Okay. Maybe one of these days I'll take my moped and drive down it so y'all could see. Well, damn. Whew. It's like 6:30 right now, and that sun is still hot. Oh, shade. Oh, shade feels so good. Oh, I've been meaning to, on the way home today, I meant to stop and read this sign, but I forgot. Hold on, Lotus. 1 second. Stop. Sit. Sit, please. Lotus, sit. Come on, sit down. Why are you all shaky? Stay. It says, "Thank you, Governor Cooper, for loving us, protecting us. Appreciate you. You could be president." Fucking sheep, man. Fucking sheep. Oh, nice car. Nice fucking car. Another one. Another one. And another one. Hell yeah. Fucking sheeple, dude. Thank you, Governor Cooper, for loving us and protecting us. Protecting you? He's killing you off. Anybody who forces you to stop your oxygen intake is trying to kill you. OSHA has said it. They proved it. I've seen videos. OSHA is the company that regulates diving equipment, and they know exactly how much air you need when you know what I mean? And they've proven that wearing a face mask is not healthy. You know, you kill brain cells when you have lack of oxygen. And these masks are not giving us enough oxygen if you're wearing it all the time. So they're killing us off, which is what Gil Bates wants. He's even said, if we administer the vaccine properly, the population will decrease 10 to 15%. Properly. Decrease. Those two words don't go together when it talks to our population. But enough about that. That's not what this video is. Lotus, did you have fun on the walk? Yep, we're almost back home. That was a weird fucking circle we just walked. Wow. Because right here is practically where we started. This here rock driveway goes right back to behind the house. And in fact, I want to tell Brandon, he's crazy. There's no river back there. Brandon, you crazy. I didn't see no damn river. I didn't see no damn river back there. I got lost. I ended up in some cornfield. I don't know. I got lost. There's no pathway. He said it's not a river, it's a lake. I didn't see that either. I cut it off because, yeah, I didn't want to intrude on everybody's you know, what's the word I'm looking for? Privacy. I don't know if they want to be on YouTube, so. Okay. Hold on, Lotus. Let me take your leash off again. Wait. Will you wait? Alright. Alright, come on. Let's get in the air conditioner. Here you go, puppers. Here, want some water?
You just kill me right now.
There you go. Get some cold water, Lotus. Get some cold water. Go ahead. Get some water. Go ahead. No? You don't want water? What? Huh? Why not? Why don't you want any water? Air conditioner feels so good. Well, that was a walk. Too bad I didn't find that river, lake, whatever the hell it was supposed to be. But hell, we went on a nature walk. Lotus had fun. She's still panting like crazy. I'm surprised she didn't need to use the bathroom while we were out. Not once. Oh, man. I like my coffee cup. Anyway, I'm going to call this a video here. So yeah. Yep. See you in the next video. Peace out.